Welcome to this Android channel, and of course everybody is asking questions of when will my phone get the Android 10 operating system, and who are going to be the first ones to be happy and running this latest version. So of course the first phones to receive it that is official and will know is the Pixel phones. We expect to have Android 10 on the full range of Google Pixel, Pixel XL, Pixel 2, Pixel XL2, Pixel 3, 3XL, 3A, and 3A XL. So even the lower mid-range phones are going to receive the updates too. So basically, Google phones are going to be the first in line to receive the Android 10 update when it arrives. So technically, it might be tomorrow or at least this week when this all happens. You know, Google Pixel phones are, of course, Google's phones, and Android being Google product, they always want to push the latest versions and the latest things all the time. So this is something that we know about that will actually have the updates. Those running Nexus devices, basically they might actually be losing out on Android 10. We're not sure yet, but there's no confirmation at all that these older phones are going to have a Android 10 on them. So if you have a Pixel phone, Android 10 should be arriving very soon. Could be as soon as tomorrow, September the 3rd, 2019, or at least during the next week or so. It's always been like that. It's always been they have always been the first to receive them. It's the way it works. And of course, you always push your own system on your own products, of course. And we know that this has been testing in the beta for a while now. So once again, all the Pixel, from Pixel, original Pixel, Pixel XL to the Google Pixel 3 XL, and even the mid-range 3A are all getting Android 10, and probably most of them will be getting it this week. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching our videos.